Outstanding favorite, Presidential. And the race is on, Gifted Talent from the outside, Pure Energy. Down on the inside, Strong Friend rushing up, Smarty Funds alongside Dream Maker. Presidential, Buena Soap is running at the tail of the field, Pure Energy, followed by Strong Friend. Gifted Talent, Dream Maker alongside Presidential. Down on the inside, Smarty Funds is racing 6 and Buena Soap. Nearing the last 700, Pure Energy, Strong Friend, Gifted Talent, Dreammaker, Okidoki alongside Presidential is running by the Rosmary Funds and Benasov. Rounding the part-term, Pure Energy, Gifted Talent, Strong Friend, Dreammaker, Okidoki, Smarty Funds, Presidential, second last as they race the final corner. A long shot, Pure Energy by Sam Tulans, Gifted Talent, Dream Makers on the outside, Strong Friend, and under Father outside, Smarty Fans. And nearing the finish line is still a long shot, Pure Energy by Sam 4 lengths now. And nearing the last 50 meters, a long shot, Pure Energy. Dream Makers, Smarty Fans close for fourth. Presidential, Strong Friend, then comes Okidoki, Buena Soap,